So now we'll see a shortcut method for conversion of octal number system into hexadecimal and vice versa. That means octal to hexadecimal, then hexadecimal to octal. Okay. So in order to convert any given hexadecimal value to octal or octal to hexadecimal, we need to follow two steps. Okay. First now we'll see how to convert a given hexadecimal to octal. Okay. So in order to convert any hexadecimal value into octal, we need to follow two steps. So in first step, we need to convert the hexadecimal number system into its equivalent binary equivalent. So whatever the value which is given by given in the form of hexadecimal, that needs to be converted into its binary equivalent. Okay, and then we need to divide the obtained binary number into group of 3 values. That will gives us octal equivalent. Okay, so now we'll see an example. Okay, what was the first step? First we need to convert the given hexadecimal number system into its equivalent binary value. So that we need to take DAD. So equivalent of D is nothing but 13, and for A, that is 10, another D is 13. Okay, so in 8421 format we need to follow. So we are going to get 1101, then for 10 1010, and for again 13 we are going to get 1101. Okay, and we need to write all the values, that is 1101, 1010, then 1101. So in second step we need to divide the obtained binary number system into group of 3 bits. Okay, so this conversion includes and these three values, and then these 3 values, that we need to follow 4 to 1 format here. So 4 plus 2 is nothing but 6, again 4 2, that is 6, then these 3 digits 101, that is 4 plus 1 is 5, again 101, that is 5. The base is what? 8. We are going to get what? 6655. Okay, so the equivalent value of DAD base 16 is equal to 6655 of base 5. Okay, so this is regarding conversion of hexadecimal to octal. Now we'll see how to convert octal to hexadecimal. So in the conversion of octal to hexadecimal, in first step we need to convert the given octal number into its binary equivalent. Okay, so if it is octal, in the sense we need to follow 4 to 1 format, so that 1 can be written as what? So we need to follow 4 to 1, so this becomes 001. For 3 we can write it as 011. For 7 that is 111. Then for 0 that is 000. Okay, and we need to combine all the values like 001 and 011, 111, then 000. Okay, but this number needs to be converted into what? Hexadecimal. So that hexadecimal number system must be like divide the obtained binary number system into group of 4 bits. Then we are going to obtain the hexadecimal equivalent. So that in first we have to convert the given octal number into its equivalent binary value. Okay, so octal consists of 4 to 1 format, so that needs to be represented with a 4 to 1 format, and then we need to combine all the values which is obtained for the conversion. Then we need to divide the given or obtained octal binary equivalent into group of 4 digits. Okay, so now you can see here these 4 values becomes one group, and these 4 values becomes another group, remaining will become another group. Okay, so in this we need to follow 8421 because group of 3, group of 4. If it is group of 4, then we need to follow 8421. If it is group of 3, then we need to follow 4 to 1 format. Okay, so the equivalent of this value is 2, then for this F, and for this 8, 2F8 of base 16. Okay, So the equivalent value of 1370 in a hexadecimal format is 2F8 of base 16. Okay, so this is regarding conversion of octal to hexadecimal number system and hexadecimal to octal. Okay, so you need to follow such steps in order to convert any given number system into another number system. Okay, and these kind of examples and programs and problems are very important for your exams. Thank you.